Hi, I'm May and I'm here with Tia, and I'm going to show you how to do blind stitching on a seam. And here is where I have a seam that's split, and we're going to mend it from the top side. Okay, so my thread and needle with a knot on the end. I'm going to come up the one side to start, and then go to the opposite side and stitch forward, and then back on the other side, and this is the type of stitching you would use if you were repairing a seam in hard to reach places such as a cushion or furniture, because you can't turn it over to so the seam is back together. And if you were using furniture, there are needles that are curled, so you can use a curly needle and it would do the same thing, and that's what you can find, like say in a sewing goods store or in a sewing kit. And you keep moving forward, and then it will slowly close. And then when finished, knot it off. Like this. And if you're using the same colored thread as the fabric, this would not be seen. And then after you knot it off, sew underneath, tie the thread, and then you snip it off. And there, it's all finished and as good as new, so you can use this to repair fabric that's hard to reach underneath. And thank you, Tia, for helping me.